Experiencing a black screen or no sound on your Opel Corsa's infotainment system? You're not alone. These issues, prevalent from Corsa D to the latest Corsa F, often stem from software glitches or hardware faults. Let's troubleshoot. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that fails, attempt a hard reset by disconnecting the battery or removing the infotainment fuse for 30 minutes. For no sound, check your Bluetooth connections and audio settings. These simple steps resolve many temporary glitches. If the problems persist, consider the next section. If basic troubleshooting fails, a factory reset might be necessary. Access this through the system's settings or using diagnostic tools. Be aware this will erase your personal data. Software updates are also crucial. Stellantis releases updates via the My Opel app or USB. Ensure your software is up to date, as patches often address black screen and sound issues. If problems persist even after these steps, a hardware issue might be the cause, potentially requiring professional diagnosis. For systems that need resetting by the dealership, be prepared to be set back 200 to 500 euros in labor. Many users have found solutions on YouTube, so check there to see if your problems can be solved via community fixes.